All right, part 2. Let's go. So number 5. Tangent, in other words, opposite over adjacent equals 1. Well, there's only one type of triangle where these two sides are the same, and that's a 45, 45, 90. But we got to look at the clues. Tangent is also positive. So all students take calc. Where does this happen? Well, everything's positive here. Sine's the only thing positive here. Tangent, ding, 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 cosine. So draw 45, 45 in here. 1, 1, square root of 2. That's a winner, winner, chicken dinner, because opposite over adjacent is 1. 45 is one of my answers. I'm going to draw a similar triangle over here, because this is -1 and that's -1. So if my reference angle is 45, opposite over adjacent, +1. So that'd be 180 plus 45, which is 225. So 45 and 225. Here we go. Secant. We've got to use our noggins. I hope I wrote this one right. If secant is -2 over the square root of 3, the reciprocal is cosine, and that means it's the square root of 3 over -2. But wait. Remember I said the hypotenuse is always, always positive? We're going to take that negative and we're going to put it up top, because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So the square root of 3 is saying, hey, investigate 30, 60, 90s. All students take calc, whereas cosine negative, everything's positive here. Cosine's positive here. So where's cosine negative? Over here. Now how could the adjacent side be the square root of 3? Well, if we had this situation where that's 30, that'd make that a 1, negative square root of 3, and 2, because there's my 60-degree angle. But that would also happen down here where this is 30, and my spinner's 2, this would be -1, but I'm worried about cosine. So I'm thinking about the adjacent side over the hypotenuse here, the adjacent side over the hypotenuse here. So I spun my spinner 150, and I also spun my spinner 210. There's my two answers, not including the negative spins, just to save a little time. All right, let me pause that.